think about it too much. I'm dying. I am dying. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm dead.
Iceberg ESL. Sweep ES buyers. Absorption ES sellers.
Yeah, I'm in longs, man. I don't really know
Iceberg ES sell.
if I want to fight that, really. Nice candle and all, but oh my gosh. I'm dying. Stats say 95 points. It's very possible here. So I'm gonna risk 1 micro. Alright. Maybe even 50% of that. I'm in 2 micros. I'll start with 40 points upside here. And my stop will be the 50%. So I will say I will aim for half of that on risk. How about that? 95 points. I'm going to be risking 120, so I want to risk less than 74 points on this trade. Maybe even less than, yeah. So right here should be 325. 325 stops, right? I'm aiming for 95.
Iceberg NQ buy.
There we go. I made a mistake, maybe. Maybe a mistake, I don't know. Should see one pullback here, then a run up, maybe. Break of the structure. It's a channel, by the way, so channels like to do double bottoms. I think I might get out first. I don't know. I would like 491s right away, but I'm not gonna let myself take too much risk here. 489s is the target. 1 to 1 first, maybe. Okay. I like that little sweep there, honestly. Tight stop. Yep. Nice sideways little channel. Definitely bullish in a way. I like that. Close the gap, push higher. So I want to see them sweep out this entire move here and run for 89. Low day. 122 points from here is 97. I want to see it higher here. Easy trade. Easy trade. I want them to sweep all these sessions here. It's just right above this candle, really, which I like. Should be an easy trade here. Maybe break even. I don't know. 89. That's 114. Maybe like less than that. Yeah. 1 to 1, huh? 80. Wait, 96. So it should be right here. No. 96. 96. Come on. Buyer iceberg. Lots of buyer icebergs here. Should bounce on this key right here. I'll jump out. Honestly, like this trade not really looking like it wants to do what I think it's gonna do. Maybe, I don't know. But I want to see it break outside of this range. We did already sweep it, but it looks like they want to sweep it again. I think they'll push it up here, then sell it off, because right now it looks like buyers are holding this price. Buyers are holding that. I want to see it higher here, break above this. 440s. $3.99s. Up here, come on. I know you guys are interested in this. You guys tried to fulfill it. Broke the fulfillment. You guys tried, man. Come on, climb. 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 Go, go, go. We'll get out break even. Climb. Sweep this high. 450s. Honestly, pretty tempted in getting the fuck out of this trade. Don't fuck around. It's a bit too tight, huh? I need to see a break here. Yeah, no, I'm gonna get out of this trade maybe. Might call it a day. If I missed the move already? I don't think so. Come on. Stop fucking around. 470s. Higher highs on the 15. Maybe my fucking stop loss is a little bit too tight, huh? Orders are sitting on 450s.
Iceberg ESL.
450s is right here. Asian session high. Yeah. Fuck it. I get out of this trade. Pretty close on getting out of this trade. Don't want to see the 1 minute reject here, so I'm kind of thinking about getting out. Yeah, I don't really like that. I got the fuck out. I don't like the way it looks. Oh, it's dumpy. I'm gonna try to look for a re-entry somewhere here. This might be a lower high forming here. Larger time frame? I don't know. Smaller time frame maybe. This looks so bearish, bro. Three-minute? Wow. 3 minute looks really good though. I got caught in that. Well, damn. Yep, I'm going to take longs again. It'll play out this time. Spearhead 3 minutes. Close above. Retest the 440s here, maybe. 440s. Yeah, 440s. 440 sweep into that range. We have a breakout here to 440s. Maybe 50% of 440s. 428s would be nice too. 428s would be nice as well. 50% of that wick. 428s. Oh, brother. Just let me get that trade. Come on. Bullish SMT. Let it play out. 50% of the wick. I want to see it break out here, manipulate higher, then sell off around 28s, maybe 30s. Fucking go, buddy. 50% of that wick. Just happens to be right there, but.
Sweep NQ buyers. Stop NQ buy.
I see it break. Continue, continue. Stop loss here. 440s. No. These fucking plebs. Go. 470s, man. Mandem. Go. Accumulation. Manipulation. Is it the manipulation or? Don't give me a fucking fat bear candle out of nowhere, eh? Would hate to see that. Yeah, come on. Go. Come on. 470s, man. 470s. Maybe 444s as a starter, but at least break of that prior 30-minute candle, and then after sweeping all of the short sellers here, move lower, right? All the buyers in this trend, they're buying, buying, buying. They're fucking taking forever, dude. Yeah, I'm not really letting it play out like that. Might just call it a day, honestly. I don't really like how this trend is looking, but yeah, dude. That looks like to me it wants to go higher. Fuck it, dude. Well, I wish I put
Sweep
that.
NQ buyers. Stop NQ buy.
What am I doing? 408s. 40 points, man. What am I doing? It's going straight to 470s here. Damn it, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna go 470s. It's gonna go to 1-to-1. I hope I just don't get caught in this bullshit
Sweep
here.
NQ sellers.
And sellers come out of nowhere, but it's 1-to-1, man. I gotta let it run out 470s here, 489s even, maybe.
Good morning, traders. How we doing today?
I'm FOMOing, bro.
Anybody getting chopped up in that range?
Broke outside of the range. Let it play out a little bit. You know, I'm gonna let it play out a little bit, yeah. I wanna see one big candle here. Sweep it right into 489s. 470s to start, actually. 470s. Just want 470s in, man. 1-to-1 will play out. 1-to-1 will play out. 1-to-1. Whether I like it or not, this is gonna be 1-to-1. It's already playing out. Exactly what I wanted to do. So 1-to-1, 95 here. 1-to-1, 95, 96. 69s is 1-to-1. Yeah. Let me see it. Pump right up. No rejection.
That's good, Christian.
1-to-1.
Right on, David. Let's see who else. Fresh, doing amazing. Mr. Patel, holding on. Yeah, I think these past couple of days, it's been really tight range. Definitely. We did add a market pulse to the GC futures. No sound to it just yet. I figured we got enough sound for the ES and NQ. We don't need to have another sound going to adding more chaos. Like, what is that noise?
Lunge here. Lunge to sweep out, guys. Come on. Yeah.
What I do need to say is that POC for today, for the session, so far hitting right there in previous past market volume high, or market volume node, sorry. So that's crazy. These nodes tend to line up after a period of time. They're pretty good. I mean, if you're looking for a trade and you're trying to figure out
Sweep
where's your
NQ
target
buyers.
and we haven't been to a zone or an area just yet, you can always take a look at these market volume stop or market volume nodes and have an idea as to where the next placement would be, where you might see potential resistance or support, depending on which way we're going.
I don't know, man. That's a fucking wide stop, 408s.
All right, Pat. See you tomorrow. Looks like you made it. Yeah, that seems to be the trick in futures. Get your one set up, figure it out, take that trade,
446.
make a couple of those, and try not to take every trade you see, because it's, I think, in order to outlast the futures market and not get chopped up every time is to find those setups.
37, 84.
I think the last several days have been kind of hard to find,
37,
especially during the cash hour.
37, 84.
But today, it looks like we got a nice little range going through right now. So we'll see what happens. Let's see if we can break yesterday's range or something like that. Ha, thank you. Yeah, we love you too. Thank you. Hit that like button. The bra trades, yeah.
Iceberg ESL. Iceberg ESL.
But the conviction is there, man. That trade's gonna hit. Fucking.
Yeah, if you pay attention to the ES stream, you'll notice that that previous compression that we had some liquidity that got sent down. We absorbed it and then started to fade away from that, go up a little bit. 59.25 was a big area for some stops getting triggered, and then some buyers came in again, supported in price action, and then we bounced again. So we look like we have a repeat of that on the ES. Starting to see buyers stack underneath 59.3250. Previous micro high volume node from past sessions. Don't see.
I just want to
We've
see
been
it
in
there.
this range already.
Play out,
Yeah, we
30
have
minute
been in this
close
range most of the session for
Sweep out this session
ETH.
low.
So let's see if we can break out
Sweep
of
out
this
the session
session right
high.
here, out of this zone.
Honestly, like,
Potential.
I think the lunch
we
is gonna hit.
opened
470
just under the 59.60 on the ES. So hopefully we'll get above that.
Just aiming for something small here at $20.
I think yesterday was
Nothing
probably one of
crazy.
the first days they had a negative on the futures. So breaking a streak,
Wanna see
I
a crack
believe is
here?
what I heard in the
Run
news.
489s maybe. 489s here.
Hopefully we can get back to that streak again. If not, we'll find those range, trade it, and take our profits when we can. Don't forget, check out those affiliates when you see them pass through Nightbot. Yesterday was the last day for the 80% discount off of Apex. We're back, I believe we're back to the normal price, if not the 76% off or something like that. I haven't tested it out yet. But check out those affiliates, Blue Sky, My Future Funds, Take Profit. We have all of those. As well as,
Stop ES buy.
if you like what you see on the heat map, you can also go to the website and use our affiliate code from BM. We also have TTW add-ons for those of you who already have a setup and you want to add those setups for trade to win. Don't forget, we also have a free Discord in a VIP area Discord. So if you want to get the live stream on the Discord, just type in WHOP, W-H-O-P, in the chat. You'll get a link. It's $1.50 a month. You'll get 30 days free. Give you access to the VIP member. We also have the Macdicator, which gives you those gaps, those nice price gaps in on TradingView. So if you have TradingView, you can always use that.
I should have rode that all the way to 407.
I think we have a few
470s, to be
days where you
honest.
can test it out. I think it's 5 or 7.
I
I
fucked up
have to
by
check
not
again.
writing that out.
After that, it's like $25 a month. We also have just nothing but the gap indicator. So if you want to
Absorption
get that
NQ
gap,
sellers.
I fucked up
you
this
can
trade a
go
lot.
ahead and type
This
in
trade was really fucked up.
the gap indicator or MAC indicator, and you'll get either one of those links from Nightbots, and you can get access to that, as well as the free Discord. If you just want to be in the Discord, you can always type in Discord in the chat.
But this trade is an easy long.
Iceberg ESL.
Yes, that's a good question there, Dennis. We would say market likes to target liquidity. Those are definitely areas of interest for the market.
Iceberg
So
ESL.
basically, they kind of act as magnets. You probably saw, what is it, Alexandria's comment yesterday about looking at the wide range. I think those wider ranges of where liquidity may sit are hedges from market makers. I mean, it's a good idea to look at it because you see that's where liquidity is sitting. Definitely, those are hedges, in my opinion, because they're so far out of our normal range of movement. Typically, you would see
Stop
anywhere
ES
to,
buy.
I think, about the
Stop
400
ES buy.
average points move on the NQ and about the 50 to 75 average on the ES. So anytime you see points that are any liquidity sitting that's greater than that range,
Stop
there's a
ES buy.
possibility that's just a hedge from the market makers. So, but it's good to see that it's there because you know that they're hedging the futures on the regular markets. Yeah, gold is definitely doing something. It's starting to stretch its legs out and go up.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers. Stop ES buy.
So over here on the ES, we got those standard
Stop ES
deviation
buy.
VWAP. Those are the dashed lines that you see that are purple. So each line will represent 1 or 2 standard deviations from VWAP. On the NQ, we don't quite have that because it kind of gets noisy already as it is with the cloud. Here we go. Still pumping away. Looks like we're getting session highs on NQ. What's going on over here? Is this session high?
I fucked up this one really hard.
Iceberg ES buy.
low credit rating just means we need a cosign. So maybe another country will cosign for it. We'll see.
What's up, man? How have you been? Yeah, man, I'm streaming. You know, I'm chilling. I'm chilling lately. I'm back in it, dude. The reason why I'm back in it is because I just I'm really seeing the market clearly, man. It's a little bit more different. Like I'm a lot more. I'm in a better position than I was before. So, in terms of thinking and such, and I had to, like, you know, sit back and just work on myself and try to figure out like what I was doing wrong. And I finally figured out what I was doing wrong. It was just me sizing up too much, not letting trades plan out, things like that. A lot of it, really. But I did mess up today. I did mess up quite a bit. How have you been, Ruben? How have you been doing? I'll be honest with you. This was a textbook play, bro. This was actually textbook as fuck. It kind of sucks. I didn't really get to catch it on my Apex accounts, unfortunately. And honestly, like I caught a really nice entry. I'll be real, like this is a very good entry, right? And I just didn't play it properly. That's all. I just trailed my stop a little bit too aggressively on this move. My stop loss was initially on this trade was actually about 75 points. I was willing to lose 75 points on this trade or something like that. And I exited the trade on a loss for 10 points each. My target should have been up here. 489s, man. And it's because like I was just following my 30-minute strategy. 30-minute strategy, pretty straightforward, brother. Yeah, on the close of the 30-minute, stop loss 95 points, target price 47 and a half. Yeah, and that's the overall 2-to-1 risk to reward, and then that's an 89% win rate, and then the next one is 1-to-1 for 95 for 95 points, 1-to-1 risk to reward. I made a mistake here today, so I'm a little bit annoyed. My long entry was good, bro. I had it right here, got stopped out here, had a long entry here, got out right there for some reason, had a long entry here, and literally I just kept on getting in and out of the trade, and I could have just held it all the way to 489s, and that would have been pretty solid for me. That could have been,
yeah, just trying to get the right adjustment for this visual.
Could have been about 100 points, you know, per
analysis.
micro. But
Top
Interesting
ES buy.
dip and iceberg. So I was like, what are we missing over here? So making adjustments on the NQ chart. So
just watching bookmap too. But I think weekly fair value gap is coming now. So 21,644 bro, if this breaks over the high. $21,500s, not bad, man. A little bit of a very nice entry, I'd say, because it broke the 3-hour fair value gap here, right? Closed right above it. Just be careful though, right? We definitely had strong sellers in this price range. right? A lot of strong sellers. So keep in mind that this could still pull back, right? Market has a tendency to do stuff like that. I don't know if we'll break out today, but I would say like in the next, by 12 o'clock, 12 p.m., if it closes above here on 12 p.m., this has a very high potential of breaking out. This could break out, yeah, as long as it closes here on 12 p.m. This one was very straightforward to me, honestly. Key level and everything. We had a 3-hour fair value gap on that price, so I'll show you what I meant by that, because it's kind of hard to explain sometimes in a chat versus like having to show online. But yeah, Asian 50% was right here. Then we had the New York lunch here, right? So I was aiming for 496 to be exact, 496, because I knew Asian session 50% plus a confluential fair value gap at this price. I knew that this price was a magnet, right? This price is a magnet. So that's what I was playing off of the Asia 50%. Now, they just swept all of the liquidity here, right? After a very deep sell-off over 2 days. I think after they just swept out all these buyers here, or all the sellers here, I think they're going to pull it back. I think it's going to be a pullback, to be honest with you. Like, I don't know what it is. It just seems like a very high probability trade to me for them to sweep out the session, hit the 50% of the Asia session, which usually is very strong on reversals on the 50% mark. So that's why they had a very strong reversal on this reaction, because 50% is a very strong key, right? Super strong key on Asian for some reason. I would laugh my ass off if I saw this today. Like it's doing what I think it should do, you know. And Asia session, and with all the sellers up here, I don't know, man. We pumped very early, right? Very early. It's 11:18, super early. We got 4 hours, like almost 5 hours left. I think they come back down for some reason, based on what I've seen. But yeah, that's I think those are the two confluences that I had for that trade. I'm happy with how the trade planned out. At the end of it, I'm up at the end, I'm up $50 plus $70, $75 on all my accounts, right? So I think that's not bad, man. Being up almost like $700 over all the accounts, right? 560s? Yeah, I don't know about that, man. Just seems too good to be true. Way too good to be true, man. It just the math is here, bro. Like, this is definitely look at how this concept is here too. Channel down, right? We're inside of this fair value gap down here. We come back up all the way to sweep out all of the short sellers here, right? A lot of buyers in this range. Now, buyers on top of that are probably exiting their position now, right? Because it's a profit. They came into the resistance. This is where all the short sellers are here. So I think the buyers that were here, that were trapped, finally are out break even, and now they're kind of thinking to themselves, like, do we get the fuck out of this position, sell it, and then find a better opportunity, maybe down below the levels down here? Yeah, fuck yeah, man. Like, sellers have been holding this for the past, like, fucking week, right? Now, I think sellers are going to push it all the way back down, and they're going to sweep out maybe the day's low, but I don't know, man. Weekly fair value gap is right there too. Bulls have been running up for like almost more than a week. And yeah, it's just right there. Looks like this week is about to turn green. Hey, they maybe you know what? Maybe it's bullish. Yeah, maybe they pull it, they drag it, they sweep out this liquidity, and then afterwards they come back down. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that makes sense to me too. Yeah, they haven't even retested the prior high yet. You know what I mean? Yeah, they're gonna retest these wicks too, maybe. Yeah, you know what? It's bullish. Yeah, it's fucking bullish. My trend line shows downtrend, but it took off this AM, so if it comes back down, I'm good with that one as well. Yeah, it would be nice, man, if it came back down here and did some bullshit here somewhere. I don't know, man. I just know that the first move was the easiest. This was definitely an easy trade here. I just yeah, straightforward. Now short sellers at this price makes sense, which is why it's selling now. Man, I might even like just jump in a couple here. Yeah, I'm in some shorts, man. I'll jump in with 22 micros. My stop will be 525s, and I think we just swept the liquidity that we needed to sweep. So we're gonna come back here, maybe 473s. I don't know. That's the confluence I was aiming for. Right. Yeah, I don't know. Instantly in the loss. Holy shit. Fucking buyers, man. They'll never give up. These guys will never give up. Keep my stop loss in the same area. Yeah. Maybe I'll just take a loss, man. 25 points? Holy shit, man. Mandem, dude. My stop should be up here. But I'm gonna try it out, man. I know sellers are up here. If I take a loss on this trade, I'll probably just call it a day, man. For real. Because I just keep going in and out of my losses, and it's just like I can't fucking catch a good move, and I caught the good move down here. And now it's like I'm getting swept out. It's fucking stupid, dude. Yeah. Maybe it's time to call it. The fuck is with these bulls, man? No, I don't. ICT kill zones. They're called ICT kill zones. Yeah, they're quite helpful. They give you like a lot of insight on where the market's going. Very helpful. It's a crazy fucking move, man. I don't know what's up with them right now. I might just keep my sells, bro, and just walk away. Have my stop on 562s here. Right? 532s, 562s. I might just keep it, honestly. And I'm gonna put a stop on 562s and walk away. Cause I'm just sure that the markets are fucking dumpy. Like they'll show their hands very quick. I know they'll show their hands. Sellers have been in the market for the past week. And now that we've hit like a double top in a daily, I don't think they'll break the highs. I just have to respect it and then see them and just expect that they pull it back into the range here. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah. I just don't want to play against these guys, man. Yeah. I'm risking about 40 points, which is my typical risk. I just want to play that 3R FTD. I want to see them reject that 3R right here. Come back into it. Maybe they'll just fucking run it. Rinse the shit out of me. Yeah, you know what? Maybe they'll just rinse it. I would fucking hate that, but tight stop now. Super tight stop. I don't want to play this bullshit here. Either reject now off of these triple candles, or we're going to the fucking moon. I just don't believe in it right now. Sellers are strong up here, man. I just don't want to play against sellers. I got caught in this one, but this one might work out for me. 27.17s here. I want to see them sweep up this low. 510s. Yeah, that's my first target. Secondary 501s. And maybe low here, 490s. Show me it. Cool. Show me a dump here, boys. Yeah, come on, keep going. You never know until you fucking short it, you know what I mean? So you just never know how the market's going to react to very significant key levels. So I'm just kind of like playing the game here. All right. Like thanks, man. I'm definitely gonna make money back as long as I just use micros, man. I don't fuck around too much. Appreciate it, you. Yeah, like you too, man. Like get your green days in and stuff, and honestly, just size small, dude. Like I was like such an advocate on big size, and now I just kind of like gave up on it. I don't really want big size anymore. I don't advocate for big size anymore like I was before, but that was like my freaking take profit trader days, man. Now I got like 10 Apex accounts. It's like I don't really need to do that anymore. So, but yeah, you take care as well, man. Appreciate it. Hey, how are you? I'm alright, you know. Could be in a better position if I wasn't such a fucking chicken.
You're in?
Am I in? No, I'm not in. No, I'm not in any trade. But if I was, babe, like, man, I would have fucking just nailed the shit out of this trade. Like, I was in it, but it's like I stopped myself out for a loss, and then the fucking thing ran, babe. I was like, man, it followed my strategy. Like, fuck. It literally played out to my strategy. It's crazy, man. And I fucking hate it when that happens. Like, I'm just full on tart. But it goes to show how well it works, though. Like, it actually works so well. It's crazy. I think they're going to dump the market now. It just feels that way. Just from the looks of it. So, I might just stick with my convictions. How's your day so far?
It's okay.
Yeah? That's good.
Nothing special.
Nothing special? Yeah, me too. Nothing special. Damn, like, I'm not a chicken, man. Like, I just know this is gonna it's gonna dump. Like, I'm just gonna play it out, let it dump. Left shoulder, right shoulder are in play right now, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Left shoulder, right shoulder here. I want to see it come under here, 488s. Up 50 bucks on all of them at the moment. I don't trust the Bulls, man. I don't believe in the Bulls. I don't believe in them. Not here. It's looking bearish. It's looking very bearish, I know it. me out, bitch. Okay. I'm not gonna copy trade them. I'm gonna take take this one off because this one needs to 20 bucks or something. This one, I'm gonna do 1 micro here. Pretty straightforward. 20 bucks here, show me. $4.99.
You still streaming?
Huh?
Are you still streaming?
Oh yeah, but it's like I'm gonna be done pretty soon. I'm just gonna let myself hit for $60 on the day, and I'm happy with it. Yeah. It's because like today is just fucking funny. Funny shit's happening. Everything worked out for me. Is just I got the fucking direction sense wrong. I just got it wrong. You know, it's just annoying. You know. I want to see it pull back here. I just know it's gonna happen. I'm gonna see it sweep right below this too. Tap it right out. Maybe even lower. I don't know. Just need sellers to show themselves here. Give me a 20 bucks. My $20 of the day on this account. And I'm happy. 20 bucks. Come on, guys. Quick and easy trade. Yep. Right under. Nice. Let's see a climb down, brother. Climb. Shoot lower. Okay. Stop me out. I see it. Bullish engulfing. Disrespected. $40. Come on. Right over it. 27s here. Mild tap would be nice. Give me a little tap. Love tap. 230s maybe. $10 from here. 17s, 27s. I don't know. There we go. How about that? The body of this trade would be perfect. 25s, 26. Pretty goofy price action today, man. Just take a short here. Fuck. Stop here and sweep with this low. I don't really like that 13 moving average rejection. Now it looks bullish. Oh yeah. Cool. Fuck me up like that and then go. What can go wrong, right? So much, babe, can go wrong in trading. It's crazy. Like this chop, for example, is fucking going wrong. Am I gonna sweep out the highs here now? Yeah, I need to see it wick at the highs here. Maybe I should just run it for 644s. Yeah. 644s. See it break the high here. Run for 21 543s. Yeah, 21 543s. Order on 450s as well. It's bears, man. It is bearish. Fuck, man. The bears are holding it. There's bears here. Sweep it lower. New York lunch, maybe. New York lunch. I'd say New York lunch. Yeah. New York lunch. Second time they're sweeping here. Yeah. Head and shoulders. Little tiny head and shoulders. Seems like a classic to me. Anyways, I'm done streaming. I'm gonna be hopping off later, guys. Cheers, that's for eating. This account's not gonna blow up, but just annoying having to deal with this type of trades. It's not working. It's